Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change image background X. Open your X account. There, you must be or go to the section Profile. You will see the photo that you have or not in the background. After that, click on the button Edit Profile. You will click on the icon Add Photo. Select the desired image and click Open. In this window, it will be possible to adjust the size of the image. When you do, click Apply. Finally, click Save. You can see that now this will be the background image in X. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.